Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to secure a very small canvas or a very small piece of paper to a surface so that you can paint on it without it slipping and sliding everywhere. So this is going to be super easy. Just take you some masking tape, or if you have painter's tape you can use that. You're going to pull off a little piece and just fold it back on itself. And then I like to do the corners because I think it works better on the corners. So you're going to put a little piece of tape on each corner. And put that there. And now, this is a piece of 9x12 masonite board. I think it's called masonite board. And then you're just going to stick it down. And then, voila! As you can see, your canvas is not going to budge. So now, let's say that you want a border. And so you can just put this down here. Figure out how much of a border you want around it. Measure your tape out. The thing I hate about this painter's tape is that it likes to curl. So just kind of be mindful of that. Masking tape will do the same thing a lot of times. So I'm just going to eyeball it. And I'm going to stick that there. And I'm going to go around all 4 corners with that. Get my flat edges done first so that my canvas is straight. And it looks like I have about that much. If you have good lighting, you can kind of see this through your tape. Looks pretty even. And so now, I'm just going to tear this. And then I'll try to come over about the same width. Oops, that's not straight. Okay. Nope, I don't like that. And the good thing too about the painter's tape is it will pull off without necessarily tearing your canvas. Sometimes it's easier to turn your board. Then you can kind of judge a little bit better where it is. And so I'm going to do this. And the plus side of this is that when you do your artwork and you pull your tape off, you're going to have this nice, pretty border around the edges. And so, as long as you get it pretty straight, it'll look nice and even. So now you've got all this surface that you can use to paint your picture, and you don't have to worry about the card slipping or sliding or trying to hold it with your fingers. So there you have it. How to secure your canvas or your paper for painting. Hope you enjoyed. If you're liking these videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit that like button for me. And if you'd like to share some of your artwork or have questions, feel free to put it in the comments. Thanks. Bye.